Alright, welcome to All Cards Box Breaks. I'm busting 2 boxes of Leaf Metal Football for Strider. Boy. Sealed case right here. 2 boxes. Let's see. Just 2 boxes. We'll just pick the top 2 boxes. Alright. Thank you. What's going on? My phone's acting up again. Alright. It's all good. This is box 1 of Metal. Michael Williams. It's hard to see. This is box 1. Stri with Somebody was right. Mike Lennon and Keenan Allen. That's a Prism. Number to 99. He doesn't say where he is. Ooh, this is nice. E.J. Manuel printing plate. State Pride printing plate. Very cool. That was box 1. Alrighty. Box 2. Wasn't one of them in the glove? I think the it looks like a piece of leather. Yes, Leaf Football just came out today. Metal Football came out today. Valiant will be in hand the 4th. What's that? On Tuesday? I do not remember the name. Oh my goodness. We picked an awesome box. We have Tyrann Mathieu. You're going to be happy. Rex Buckhead. Colin Klein. State Pride. Mingo. Prism number 99. And the Mystery Redemption. These are 1 in 5.5 cases. Misty Redemption, yes. We don't know what it is until we don't know. Alright, that was box 2 of Leaf Metal for Strider. Stop and save.